regarding my temperament, whether I will resign or maybe he means whether I will fight with people I'm not happy with in terms of the way they are working. I'm not exactly a young person. I have the advantage of working now maybe for the last 40 years. And I do not recall any other incidents. You will also maybe want to know, and I want to put it on record that I have been a politician for 20 years. Although I have served 2 terms and this now 3rd term, and I have not been involved in any other fight, altercation, except this that you seem to pick, honorable members. And I'm sure there are cases that can be very bad. I do not think I am a violent person. I am able to manage my tempers.
Honorable Chairperson, Chair,
Honorable Chair, I'm able to manage my tempers.
Alice.
Yes.
The David speak.
I have a slight interjection just to my colleagues, and I'm requesting the help of the chairperson that we do. It would be nice not to have the questions being subjective, because when the question is asked in a manner that is subjective and amounts to casting aspersions and passing judgment without giving the candidate an opportunity to elaborate, then it doesn't look good. I think you can phrase your question, Honorable Amisi, to say, could you elaborate on the following incidences with a view of assuring the panel that you have the requisite integrity standards? That's a better way of asking. And I know this because I haven't seen that line of questioning with any of the other candidates.
Chair, maybe to make it even clearer.
I'm not opening any debate.
I believe I have answered. With your permission, Chair, I was going to move to the question of Honorable Muragara. I said I am able to manage my temper. Honorable Muragara wants to know